Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to rate application in Play Store. Alright guys, first of all, open your Play Store on your Android phone, and this is my Play Store, so I'm clicking on it. And after that, we can search for the application that I want to rate. And for example, I'm going to rate CapCut. We can search for the application right here. Then just type the name of the application, and I'm going to rate CapCut. And after that, if we want to give rate, we can click on the application like this. Then we can rate right here, guys. Rate this app, and you can choose how many stars you would like to give for the application. You can give 1 star to 5 stars, and for example, I'm going to give 4 stars like this. And we can describe our experience right here, but it's optional. You can skip this tab, but if you want to put your review, you can write here. And for example, I'm going to put my review. Okay, and after we're done, we can click on post right here, and after we click on post, the review will be posted on CapCut application. Okay, and this is my review. Alright guys, and that's how we can rate application in Play Store. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.